Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a very special day trader today. Europe is now at war once again. Russia have invaded Ukraine, a European state, and the first thing, obviously, we send all our prayers and wishes to all the people of the Ukraine and all the soldiers that are going to lose their lives, innocent people today. It's a tragic, tragic day for stability in the world, Europe. But of course, we are a day trader here, an investor in markets. How does that affect us? We have to keep that on track. That is the point of us being here. Of course, that is going to affect the markets. Stability is what markets live off. And of course, we've seen everything crash this morning. Huge spikes now. You're going to see extreme volatility today in the markets. It's going to be a very, very hard, difficult day, of course, for the people of Ukraine and the soldiers that fight that war, of course, as well, on the Russian side. But also we have the markets going to crash all over the place. So today is a day to consolidate, prepare, organize, structure yourself. Take advantage. Remember, I've always said, if you look at history, more millionaires, billionaires were created during wars than any other time in history. So here we go. This is the markets right now. I'm at my all-time low. Of course, I'm way up from my $5,000, but I am at my all-time low. Till last night, my 35,000 was my low. We're now at 33. So we can't even trade yet. Unfortunately, for another 20 minutes, I can't even trade. Should you sell all your stock? Should you buy more stock at these situations? We'll discuss that today. We'll bring you the breaking news as it happens. As news breaks, we will bring it to you. All right, you won't miss anything. You can trade here, invest here, and at the same time, you'll better see what's going on. If it's your very first time here, click... I apologise, I clicked the wrong screen there. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Let's bring that in right now. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And click the thumbs up as well. Let us know you're here. Let's bring in the information you need. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. As you can tell, I'm wearing a black tie today. Always try to reflect the mood. Today is a very, very serious day. So the black tie goes on. All right. Okay, so this is the information you need to put on the screen. We'll bring in the tickers as well so we can follow. Let me just check all the streams around the studio. Yeah, just one moment. Yes, everything in the studio is fine. Want to make sure that we're all streaming on all different platforms. We're on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, multiple websites, all at the same time. I thought I'd done well getting back into space at 8:08. Well, indeed, but we were all optimistic about... You still are, but of course, things could go very much lower today. Look at Tesla, down at 706. A lot of money being wiped off the markets today. Let's go through. Morning, everyone. Nudge it, budget, move it. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Vapors. Good morning to all of you on this very, very tragic day. So we're going to bring you the news as we get it as well. So you are going to be kept abreast of what's going on. Okay. Let me show you right now. You can see the stocks here at the same time. Let's listen in for a moment.
Stop with Ukraine. He will go further. But what about Ukraine itself? We talked to our political correspondent earlier who said he'd been...
Good morning, Emily O. How are you this morning? Welcome to the show. We've got a new guest joining us this morning. Emily O. Would all our members please welcome Emily O into the chat this morning? It's a new guest. Hello, Emily. How are you this morning? Welcome to the show.
In Ukraine, like he already did in Belarus, because Belarus is de facto occupied.
We'll come back to the news as it breaks. Emily O, where are you from today? Where are you from? Please let us know where you're from. Well, thank you. Welcome, Emily. Emily, where are you from? Would love to know how you found us here on YouTube. And I'm not new. Okay. I'm terribly sorry. You look new. Your picture's new. I've not seen your picture before. Okay, I think you've changed your picture then, maybe, perhaps. I don't know. New Zealand. Hello from New Zealand. How are you feeling this morning? What do you feel about the war in Ukraine? War is back in Europe. What does everybody think? Go into the chat. Let me know. Let's have a discussion about it today. What should we do with the markets? Are we going to buy and sell? You played piano for me. Oh, wonderful. I'm so I'm terribly sorry. We got a lot of people coming through the channel, and of course I forget. But thanks for reminding me. Emily, it's lovely to have you here. Chris Burke, good morning. We got another guest. We've got more people coming in today. We've got new guests coming in. Members, please welcome our guest this morning. Emily's from New Zealand. So just to let you know, I'm from the UK, Cornwall in the United Kingdom. This is my TV studio, voted as the World Piano Man, and I do day trading, stocks, and breaking news throughout the day here in the day trader studio. And of course, the markets are crashing this morning, and we're looking at what is the best thing to do. Nudge it. Hi, Chris. Good morning. No worries. I usually sleep this time, so why I don't often catch you live. Well, Emily, it's lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're going to keep you updated now with all the breaking news. All right, I'm awake. If you just come on in, Bry, we got another guest here, Bry Ryan as well. Me too. Good morning, Bry. Welcome to all of you. Breaking news here this morning, of course, with Russia. We are having now a war in Europe. I never thought I'd see that again in my lifetime. So somber today, a serious day. We're looking at all the stocks today, of course. That's why we're here. But as you can see, everything's a little bit all over the place today. All the stocks are down. This is an opportunity to buy in, but be very, very careful. It could go a lot lower before it gets better. That's the problem we face right now. So that just be aware of that. Nvidia is down 19%, down 684. In the after hours. PayPal is down. Let's look at our crypto. What is Ethereum doing? What is Bitcoin? Now, Ethereum and Bitcoin are up. They could rally today, drop down, then rally today due to all of this. So prepare for a very volatile day. It's a great time to just buy more. Well, it could go lower, so be very, very careful. Very, very careful with that strategy. You're absolutely right on principle, Mark. But be careful what you buy in. That doesn't get affected too much by Russia and Europe. And, of course, everything will be to a certain degree. Martin has a great show. Enjoy. Thank you ever so much. Thank you very much. What's going on here? Cheers, Chris. We got a Chris in the house. Hi, Alex. Thanks for the excellent website and SEO you did for me. Oh, look at that. Chris Burke. He's a customer and client, friend, I would imagine, of Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Wonderful to have you here, Chris Burke. Lovely. Tomorrow, of course, is our big cash giveaway for all our members. We do a cash giveaway every Friday, prizes every Friday. So we do it regardless. So here are the all links buttons. If you want to get any of the stuff, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, any of the free stocks I give away, any of the things I give away from my sponsors. Here is the all links now in the chat. There it is. There it is. See it? I'll post it twice. Go and click on that. If you want to be a member, let's invite Chris Burke to be a member. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is one of our sponsor members. This account just doesn't show it, but his other account, he is a member, is a sponsor. Here is the invitation to join. Join as a member and gain lots of benefits and be in the draw tomorrow for the cash. And as we hit 100,000 subscribers, which we will do within a year, we're going to give away $1,000. The cash prize is going to keep going up. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube. This is where we're trading here on YouTube. Click the link in the profile and you can be with us on YouTube, all right? You want to be here on YouTube. It's much, much better. You can't see my trades on TikTok. Okay, the markets are crashing now. Now we're starting to get things picking up. Look, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. This is the soft bell. What I mean by that is it's the pre-market. I can get in on the market and buy these dips. So let's get ready for a huge, huge day. Right, here we go. Bringing up the timer in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Welcome, Chris Burke. Just become a subscriber to the channel. Thank you very much indeed. Chris, as we do breaking news, very, very important. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Very, very important. Let me show you how to do that in case you're not familiar. If you're not familiar, let me show you how you do it. Here you go. Right. You click subscribe and then click the bell. Set the bell to all. If you've not done that, do that, everybody. Otherwise, you missed the breaking news. Look, I'll undo it, okay? And click the bell and set it to all. That's what you need if you want to be notified of the breaking news. And you do want to be notified of the breaking news because I'll bring you latest prices as they come. All right, we've got Chris Burke is now a subscriber to the family. If you want to get a badge like the members, Nudge It, Budget, Move It is actually a sponsor member, the highest member. It just doesn't show on this account, unfortunately. Here is the invitation to join for you, Chris. You can join for a couple of bucks a month and get exclusive content. Many things that I do for you. Free concerts, fundraiser events I do for you. Birthday songs on your birthday. Email breaking news. Follow you on social media. Promote your social media. Promote your YouTube channel. Ask all the members. They get 10 times more than they pay for with the member deals. There's the invitation to join. All right, Bri, Ethereum's down. Yes, Ethereum is down. There we go. No, Ethereum is up. Ethereum is up today. Bri, that is not correct information. There's my Ethereum right there. Look, it's up 2.68 today. You may be looking at the hour. No, you're not. It's up on the hour and on the day. So, no, Ethereum, I can show you, is actually up. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Alicia. What should we do? We've got 13 minutes. Right, before the bell goes. We need 20 likes, folks. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. Smash the like button. There it is. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Don't forget, if you want a day trader mug like this, you can get one. All the links are below. In the all links button, you can get your very own day trader mug. And while you watch the show, you could be drinking out of your day trader mug. We'll put your name on it as well. Just for $4, we'll put your name on it and send it to you anywhere in the world. It's what we do here on the Day Trader. Just ask me and I'll give you the link. It's under the all links button. The shop's there. And if you want a specific one with your name on it, just let me know and I'll make it, or a logo, whatever. There it is. Okay, let's go over the main portfolio. We can't do anything yet in the markets until the pre-market opens in 12 minutes. SPCE is now down 6% at 762. 762. So let's get ready this morning for a very volatile breaking news. Now, Vladimir is talking. Who wants to hear from him? Nobody wants to hear from Vladimir Putin, but we're going to play it anyway. All right.
Moreover, it has some advantages of possessing the most advanced weapons. No one should have any doubt that a direct attack on our country will lead to defeat and terrible consequences for any potential aggressor.
Vladimir Putin has declared he has nuclear weapons and he has said he will use them, and he has threatened the UK. Thank you very much, Vladimir Putin. Well, I'm assure you that Europe will stand together against you and the UK will not allow you to threaten and invade Europe. You're not going to get away with it. This was a bad, bad day. And if you're watching the channel right now, Vladimir Putin, you've made a grave mistake. And I feel sorry for the Russian people who are going to pay the price for your aggression and your lunacy and idiocy.
In 2014, supported the Crimeans and Sevastopol residents. In 2015, used armed forces to prevent terrorists from Syria from entering Russia. We did not have another way to defend ourselves. The same is going on now. We have not been left any other choice but...
Whatever he had going wrong on the border of Ukraine with Russia, whether it be terrorism or whatever it might be, that is not a reason to invade the country. Not at all. There is much better ways you could have dealt with that, but whatever it might be he's claiming did not qualify for an all-out invasion on Europe. All right, we need 2 more likes in the next 10 minutes. 2 more likes, guys. The like button is going to stay on the screen until we get 20 likes. We need 2 more likes. Thumbs us up. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. What is he thinking? He's crazy. Bill, how are you today? Peru Invest. Good morning, Peru Invest. Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. A lot of new my money is gone. Everybody's money's gone, Dodge. Everybody's money's gone. We need 1 more like before the bell goes. We're on 19. If you've just tuned in, like the video. We are just one more like away, and I'll get rid of the thumbs up. All right. The markets now are starting to recover. There we go. Fantastic. 20 likes before the bell goes. We are experiencing all kinds of issues today. I can't buy in yet, but I will. There's a lot of markets here to buy because things will improve. Things will improve. When the market opens in 10 minutes, decide what you're going to do. Where will you go? Everything is down. Everything is down across the board. We'll bring you the breaking news as we get it. It's still your show, mine. If you've just, Putin will go to, yes, it's terrible. We'll show that comment. It's hidden it, but I'll show it. Right, the markets are now going up now, steeply. If we look now on the live position, you will see we are now going up steeply. Let me go back to the main portfolio. Look, the live position now. Look at this. Remember, I've always said millionaires, billionaires are created during wars more than any other time. That is exactly what's happening now. Now, I'm just going to run an ad. So rather than you all see the ad, can you all go and do me a favor? Can you all go and do me a favor? I would like this news story to get out. And I know all my members will do it because they always do. My members are the greatest. Let me just give you this video I just put out. I didn't got money to get in the market right now. Yeah, that's awful. I'm sorry for that. Right, I want to share with you this one here. Okay, this video here is a 1-minute video. It's a 1-minute video, and I'm going to run an ad now anyway, so you might as well go and watch it. Would you mind terribly? Just go and leave a comment here. I want to send a message to the world, okay? There we go. Click on that video, leave a comment below, and like the video, then come back. Please, would you do that? Because I'm going to run an ad now anyway, so you're not going to miss anything. Just click on this video. It's in the chat live right now. Leave a comment below. Send your message to the world. There it is 3 times. I've given you the link. Go and click on it. It's a 1-minute video and come right back to me, okay? Leave a comment. Send a message to the world. Send support to the Ukrainian people and the people of Europe. It won't end at Ukraine. It could get a lot worse. So please go and use that now. Right, I'm going to run an ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. You've got the time to go and do that. All right, let me go back here. Okay. Let me just check something a minute. Oh, I see. Okay. Just checking a few things here. That's interesting. Okay, that's very interesting. Okay. That's an interesting situation. I'll explain it to you in a second. Due to the seriousness of what's happening in Europe right now, with the war breaking out, this particular video that I've just put out actually is not monetized. There's no ads on it. That's a interesting thing, and I kind of agree with that. I agree with that. There's no ads on this video. Interesting. So and that's a good thing, I think. Shouldn't be able to profiteer from it. Right. Okay. My brother's friends is stationed in Poland now. Dodge, we're very sorry to hear that. Let's hope it doesn't go that far. If it goes that far, then we're really in trouble. I mean, we're really at the depths of things then if it goes that far. Right. Let's have a look at our positions right now. We've got 5 minutes to go. Nothing we can do right now. If you've just tuned in, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. This video is not a monetized video. I'm not making money from this video. It's on a war footing, and because of that, there's no monetization on this video. And that's a good thing. All right. Good afternoon, Duchak. Good afternoon to you, Alicia, Patricia. We are. Also, I want to thank everybody who showed concern over me falling yesterday and my back. Lots of messages. Thank you ever so much. I was a millimetre from, if you look at the video very closely, I was a millimetre from banging my head, and that would have been quite serious because I literally fell straight back onto concrete. And unfortunately, I held my head forward. I remember falling playing football and rugby, so I learned to hold my head forward and protected it. It was just skimmed off the ground by about a millimetre, but I was very, very lucky. But thank you to all that sent that. Cyber attacks are likely today, according to United States Homeland Security. Oh dear, not surprised. To think Ukraine used to have nukes and they scrapped them in the 90s. Well, I'm glad they did. Could have been a lot worse. There we go. Right, the markets are now up 1% on the hour. Huge gains to be made right now. Hi, Alicia. We've got 3 minutes to go. Tesla is down at $713. Rivian is down at 54. Virgin Galactic, $772. $1 under market. $1. Bloody hell. Right. Wow. Whoa. So we'll set a limit order here. We'll set a limit order of 7. This could, I don't know where this is going to go. I'm looking at setting a limit order here on Virgin and picking up even lower points. 772. We got 2 minutes to decide. Okay, I'm going to set an order here. Overlays. Let me clear this away. $775. Shares 300. Good for the day. Allowed to expire. Execute. Review order. I think we're going to get a bounce as the market opens and then a sell-off. So get ready to sell it quickly. Got 1 minute to go. Here we go. I'm setting my order now. $775, shares 300. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's a big day. Here we go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the market is pre-market situation, 770. Let's see what happens now. Okay, my average has now just gone down to 813. The order went through. We're now in the pre-market stages. Market is not fully open. My average is now 813. So I've just got 300 to sell at 772. We'll get this and it will bounce back. Segan Samuel is here. If you've just tuned in, we've got huge markets this morning. We're going to decide what to do. If you've just tuned in, we've got the cash giveaway tomorrow this time. If you're a member, subscribe and ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell as you get the breaking news as we bring it throughout the day. We now have war in Europe. This is going to be one of our most dramatic, most aggressive, most volatile days we've had on the markets. Prepare for it. Do the right thing. Get yourself remaneuvered. We're at 34 now. Tesla is down to 712. 761. 760. We'll bring you the breaking news as we get it as well. You'll be getting the prices and the breaking news as we get it this morning. Here it is.
Whoever tries to hinder us, and even more so to create threats to our country, to our people.
There we go. He's threatening the world now. He's threatening the world. Anyone who fights against Russia, he's announced he has nuclear weapons and he's ready to rock and roll. What a world we live in. What a crazy world we live in. Let me know your comments, please, in the live chat. Let's have a discussion. Let's have a very active discussion today. Let's discuss what's going on. Right, the live position. We are up now on the hour, but on the but we're down the 5% on the day. Tesla is down 714. Rivian is down. SPC. Everything is down. We're going to get a morning sell-off, and then we might get a bounce. The markets knew that this was coming. Be fully aware, the markets knew this was coming. They're not fooled by this. Over 40 Ukrainian soldiers are announced dead. It's confirmed. There we go. Dodge Nitro Jude. First announcement on the show. 40 Ukraine soldiers are pronounced dead. Tragic, awful, terrible. We are saddened to hear we have war in Europe. So, it's going to be a very difficult morning this morning. A very difficult morning this morning. Very somber mood this morning. Once we start, it's very difficult to stop. Anyway, we're here today to bring you the news, to bring you the business news, to bring you the markets, how we're going to trade this market this morning. What are we going to do? Everything is down. Look, everything, whatever you buy now is going to keep going down. So be very, very wary if you do that. Amazon is 2.8. Oh, look how low that is. That's going back nearly 2 years. Jacob Gamble is here this morning. Good morning, Jacob Gamble. Good morning to you. Welcome. We're looking at what to do. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you've just tuned in, welcome to a very, very somber show today. We are trading the markets. We are also facing a war in Europe, and it's a very, very difficult day. People are now being bombed and losing their lives. Boris Johnson, Prime Minister, my Prime Minister from the United Kingdom, has come out and said we will stand by them. We will not allow aggression to take over in Europe, and we will fight back, and we will use military if necessary. That's the British Army is now, Boris Johnson has declared military is a last option, but it will be used. Can you believe I'm even saying these words? England, United Kingdom have said they will use military against Russia if necessary. Possible recession, possible buying opportunity in a couple of weeks. That's what Jacob Gamble's thinking. 753. Wow. Amazon. Look at Amazon today. 2,800. Twitter. We're going to get a bounce now. Look at this. This was a opportunity. I remember I've said it. I've been saying it. Look, here it comes. I've been saying it up to the war breaking out. More millionaires and billionaires are created in war. Look at this. Look at that spike there. That's money coming in and coming out. This is what happens. And for the very first time, my video today is being brought to you for free. There is no monetization on my video today. There is nothing. I'm sitting here today bringing you this news, and YouTube have removed monetization from videos talking on this subject. Okay? So just so you know, I am not profiteering today from this situation. There is no ads on this video. Okay? Just so you know. YouTube, it's their terms. They do not allow you to make money from this type of situation. So just so you know, I'm not bringing out clickbait or war-grabbing news. This video is demonetized. Here is Boris Johnson speaking right now. Here we go. I want you to hear this.
And missiles. I don't believe that the Russian dictator will ever subdue the national feeling of the Ukrainians and their passionate belief that their country should be free.
But President Putin remains resolute.
Some very, very important words for those who could be tempted to intervene from outside. Whoever tries to hinder us, and even more so to create threats to our country, to our people, should know that Russia's response will be immediate, and it will lead you to such consequences that you have never encountered in your history.
And all the while, the military assault continues. This is an airport in the city of Mariupol, a Ukrainian port town, less than 12 miles from the nearest trenches in the eastern Donbass region. And in the west...
There we go. I'm bringing you the news here. This is not opinionated news that you might get a lot of in America. This is directly from Sky News and the BBC. What you're seeing is just on-the-ground facts. You will not get any opinion, one side or the other. You will just get what is happening. It's very, very important that you understand the sources I use are Sky News, the BBC. It's just what is happening, not anyone's particular view or political point. It's just we bring you the information. This channel has always been about bringing you information that I see presented to me as fact. No opinion based here at all. And my views on stocks, but politically, you never hear me on one side or the other. I just bring you the facts as they come. That's what this channel has always been about and always will be about. All right, so the news I choose will always be factual, not opinion based. Okay, I want you to all know that. Rivian is now up today. Sorry, I beg your pardon. It's moving up now, down 5.96, but it is trying to push up. SPCE is still falling, 751. Amazon now is down at 2.8. That's starting to move up. Down 3% today. A lot of money to be made today in the markets. Be fully aware of that. Nvidia pushing up, Palantir pushing up, Facebook now starting to push up. GGPI 1045 starting to push up. Lucid down but starting to turn up. Hood down, starting to turn up. Peloton, it's not refreshing. Let's have a wait. Let's come back to it. PayPal is down, starting to push up. Immersion down, up and down. Look at that. Look at that swing there. On, down, pushing up. Rolls Royce falling down. BA down, pushing up. That's the sentiment across everything right now. Everything is down. Now, Sleep Cove says, for your information, had an advert for this video when I joined from the World Gold Council. No idea. That's not even, I don't know how that happened. It's not, there's no ads on my video. You would have seen it through somebody else's video. If you were coming from one video to another, that was the previous video. There are no ads on my video today. None. I can guarantee you today, I am earning nothing from this video at all. 100%. There's no ads on this video. If you see an ad, it's where you came from. The previous video was ending with a video with an ad. It's not on my channel. Now then, we just bought at 772. Oh, there we go. It's turning up. 753. Let me go over now to this position here. Virgin Galactic starting to pick up. Sorry, I was on the wrong screen for a moment there. I've been trading a few things and you didn't see what they were. Over there on TikTok, good morning to you. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to end the stream on TikTok for just a moment. There we go. I've ended the stream on TikTok because getting silly people say silly things, and I can't be doing with it. We're not going to spend the day talking about stupid stuff. All right. So markets at a moment flutter upwards. Let's see where we go from here. We've got just over 15 minutes before the market fully opens, and then the trading begins. If you've just tuned in today and you'd like all the things that I give you for free, here is the all links button. I'll give it you in the chat right now. And also here is the invitation to join if you wish to be a member. It's much better as a member. You get many perks, sponsorship opportunities, promote your YouTube channel, free concerts, fundraiser events, all kinds of opportunities as a member. I'll make videos for you, promote your YouTube channel, all kinds of things if you are a member. Now then, I asked you all to go and watch this video. Let's see if anyone did it. I'm sure you did. I know my team very well. Yes, they did. Look at that. I knew you would. Let me bring it up so you can all see it. Thank you very much indeed for Bill. Let me zoom in. You can see, look, there's Bill. Thank you, Nudge It, Vapors Guide, Mike, Mark, Zach. Thank you, all of you who did it. I appreciate it very much indeed. I knew you would. Let me refresh it, just have a update that. I want to see what we did there. And we're going right back to the stocks in a moment. Thank you very much indeed. Great. Thank you ever so much, guys. Send that message to the world. All right. Okay, here we are. We're back at the stocks right now, and we're looking to see what we're going to do this morning. Tesla is down 716. Can you believe it? Well, the markets have gone pretty quiet now. We've got 15 minutes to go. Here we go. 15 minutes before the market actually opens to trade. Thanks for the coffee, Leah. Corinda's here. What a sad day. Is it okay for a man to cry? This war brought sad and bad memories. Moose, I have tears in my eyes. I'm very proud of what my Prime Minister has declared this morning. Boris Johnson, I believe he'd have the country behind him. In fact, we have someone from England right now. Corinda Taylor, one of my friends. Afternoon all. What a scary day we are having. It's frightening to know that Putin is sending threats like this to us all. Sad day. Corinda is absolutely correct. He has today, yep, I've got a tear in my eye. This is real. This is real. And I want everyone to know that this video today is not monetized. This YouTube video, some of you said we saw an ad when we came in. That's because you may have left a video that had an ad at the end. This video is not making me any money. So you know. I am not profiteering from this. I'm doing this service for free. Okay? My stocks and shares are going down the toilet. So I'm losing all my life savings, and I'm not profiteering from this video. Let it be known. Okay? This is not a clickbait video. This is my money, my real trades, my family of traders, people that have sat beside me for 7 months now. We've been doing this channel, and watch me every single day. Trade with me every single day. Watch us grow from 5,000 to 58,000 and now have it fall to 34. You've been with me every day. This channel is real, genuine, honest. Nothing is here to manipulate or corrupt whatsoever. So unlike Mr. Putin, everything you see here is honest, transparent and real. And I want to welcome everybody in as we work out today how to get through these markets. But I will tell you, as we are trading here, trying to secure our futures financially, there are people being bombed and attacked right now in Europe. And Vladimir Putin has said to the UK directly, we will use force against you if you retaliate. And Boris Johnson has said this morning they will use force against Russia if necessary. So this is as serious as a day as it gets. All we can do is send our love to everyone involved. All we can do is be here together as the family. All we can do is do what we've always done. Tell the truth, invest, support, protect each other. That's all we have the power to do, but we will do it. And I want to thank everyone who sent me messages about me falling on my back, by the way. I'm fine. I was about a millimetre away from banging my head. Fortunately, because of my rugby and football training and Tough Mudder, I held my head forward as I fell to protect it. Otherwise, and I had to clamp it forward. As I hit, it recoiled, and I was very lucky not to bang my head. Virgin's going down again. Vlad won't fire at the UK because he knows America will be waiting with us. Don't be so sure, Paul. We need to be completely honest. Don't think that things can't happen. They have. They did. History shows us that. People do stupid things. What a sad day. I was crying when I saw the news this morning and I can't stop my tears. Moose, we send our love to you, mate. You've always been there for us. We're always there for you. We know how it hurts today. I feel very upset about it. I'm in the US right now. UK is not that far away. You could drive across Europe in a day. It's not that far at all. I've driven all across Europe. I've been to the Ukraine. I know friends in the Ukraine. I know friends in Russia. Right. We're down to 748. I don't know when this is going to stop. I don't know when this sellout's going to stop, folks. I have to be honest with you. I don't know when this will stop. Okay? I don't know how low this is going to go. Let's post Moose and comments there. If you've just tuned in, I want everyone to know that this is not a monetized video. All right, I received nothing for this video at all. I knew that when I put war in Europe, there would be no monetization on this video. I was born in Lebanon and I went through it in my childhood. Here we go. Muzanella was born in Lebanon. He has been through war then. He's physically been a part of it. He knows what it's about. I can happily say I haven't. Nobody wants to experience war. My grandfather did. My grandfather was tortured by the Nazis. He had a very bad time. Tesla, Rivian, everything. Virgin Galactic now 7:52. Are we going to hold? We've got 10 minutes, 9 minutes to go before the markets open. The main markets open. Good morning. Hey, all, smash the like. Come on. Despite the doom and gloom, we continue what we do. Smash the like, Robert. We move forward. We never forget. There we go. Smash the like, everybody. This is what we do when Smash the Like Robert comes in. We smash the like. And tomorrow, regardless of how much money I've lost today, there will be the cash giveaway tomorrow. We never fail. We never miss. Everyone, smash the like. Hopefully China decides not to get involved. That would be awful for everyone. We certainly hope that. Mostly, honestly, Martyn, crypto is about to take some pain, but opportunity for buying and approaching because of an idiot who thinks he's Bertie. I can't even read that out. All right. Pretty Patel said they are on alert for major cyber attacks from Russia. Oh, here we go. So now we're talking cyber attacks. All right, no surprise. Smash the like, Robert. There we go. Everyone's playing along. I knew my team would. I knew you would. Hi, all. Right, it's starting to turn up. Remember, I said it before. I said it, and I'm going to say it again. I want you to be fully aware. More millionaires and billionaires were created during war than any other time in history. Do what you need to do, but don't use the money that's used to pay the bills. All right? I mean, buy the dips, but for God's sake, do not use your mortgage money, your credit cards. You might want to use some leverage at this time, but be careful what you buy and have the reserves there. Don't suddenly go max out on your credit card because there will be people who do that today, and there will be people who make money from this because we will get pops. If suddenly the war, Russia decide we're done, we're out, these stocks will go up like you've never seen. So you will make so much money, it's unbelievable. But be very, very careful doing that. You could lose everything. You've got to buy in the recession. Jacob's absolutely right, but as I say, I will use on the strongest terms. Do not load up your credit card to do it. I mean, you're risking absolutely everything. We've got more breaking news. I'll bring it to you now. Here it is. We'll keep an eye on the markets for you.
China on the Security Council will veto any resolution. Well, the point of it is to isolate. The point of the resolution is to, as I said, diplomatically isolate Russia, to accompany the economic isolation, that the sanctions that we expect will be announced, the economic isolation.
So we heard this morning that all economic, we've started with economic, we then moved to diplomatic, political, and then we moved to, obviously, physical aggression. Right now, it's all economic. We are going to they're going to make Russia bankrupt. They'll have no money to pay for anything. This is what's going to happen. This is the difference between the Second World War. We have a much more interconnected world. Russia knows we're going to do that. Like we said, cyber attacks are bound to happen. They're going to try and hack it before we turn it off for them. Turn off SWIFT, the banking system, so they can't trade money. A lot's going to happen. I wonder if Vlad is going to go give out free Bitcoin. You can only laugh when things are bad. Yeah, always laugh. My safe moon is refinable. Crypto is so down. Gonna hold tight and I hope they go back up. They will Corinda in time, but be very, very careful. We've got... Oh, hang on. Where's my clock gone? Did I just remove my clock for some reason? It looks like I removed my clock. Let me go back to the main trading screen. Yeah, I removed my clock, but that doesn't matter. We've got 5 minutes to go. I can see that. We haven't missed it. Right. Virgin Galactic is starting to turn up. Have we hit a bottom? Are we going to get an almighty bounce back? We will in time, but I can't say that will happen today. I can't read a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not going to make up nonsense. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. And remember, all note today, my video is not monetized. This video is not monetized. I'm providing this service for free. If you want to help support the channel today, because the channel, we are funding this show for today on losses. My market has crashed. If you want to support me and you want to support the channel, you can go into the live chat and support the channel with the super chat or a super sticker. But just know there's no revenue being earned from me from this video because of the title of the video. I knew that, and I'm okay with that. All right, Rivian is down. SPCE is now trading sideways. Have we reached the bottom? Have we reached the bottom? 750 is now the bottom for Virgin Galactic. Can you believe this? Amazon, oh my gosh, 279. Billions of dollars being wiped off the value of that now. Okay. I have a crystal ball, 8-inch weights, 32 pounds quartz crystal. Very, very good. But what good does it do you? All right, 3 minutes to go. Tesla down. Yes, Bill, can you read it for us? Yeah, we'd like to know. Tesla is about to go under $700. My God. This is terrible. Oh, and Virgin hasn't finished dropping. No, it's not finished. We're down. Oh, we're going down even more. All right. Like I said a few moments ago, do not buy these dips yet. You don't know when it's going to finish. It could go to 1 cent. I mean, be under no illusion. 2 minutes ago. Someone has just sent me support, I think. Oh, thank you very much indeed. I have just received rather than a super chat, Muzanella supported me today with a $25 tip. Thank you very much indeed. That's wonderful. Thank you so much indeed, Muzanella. What a wonderful gesture. Wonderful gesture from Muzanella. He's just supported the channel with a $25 tip. That's very, very kind of you. Very, very kind of you immensely. I can't thank you enough for that. Wow, what such generosity. I appreciate it very much indeed. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Hi, everyone. Good morning now. Everybody, I want to welcome you now. As bad as things are in Europe, here is my friend Zach. Zach is over in Uganda, in Africa. Okay? They'll be affected by this as well. You might go, well, what's Africa got to do with it? If we get a global recession, the poorest people in the world get hit the most. My friend Zach does fundraising for the poorest of people in the world, in Uganda, the people that need support the most. He yesterday became a silver member. Yes, he became a silver member. You can see Zach is a silver member. I want everyone, every single one of my members today. This is somebody today who wanted to support this channel because he knows this channel does fundraising and supports people around the world. And we have someone here who was paid for a silver membership. I only wish I could waive the fee for certain people, but I can't. It's not fair. I have to keep it straight for everyone. But this gentleman is from Uganda, doing fundraising for the poorest people in the world. And this war in Europe will affect them as much, if not worse, than anyone else. The poorest are always hit worse when there are global crises like this. So everybody, please welcome Zach. I I am telling you now, when things improve, I will do a fundraiser for Zach. I will support Zach and his friends in the people that he supports in Uganda. They are the poorest people in the world, and we will do what we can to support you. So Zach, huge thanks to supporting our channel. I'm sorry, and I know you're a proud man. You wouldn't expect a free membership, but he's not just bronze, folks. He's a silver member. He wants to get his channel promoted. He wants his story to put out there. So I'm going to make a video for Zach, access his account on YouTube. So Zach, now you are a silver member, what you need to do is this. Go to your YouTube channel. Click settings. Click permissions. Add me as a manager to your channel using my email, martyn@martynlucas.com. Add me as a manager to your channel. I can then create a video, upload it, promote it. You haven't got to do any work at all. I will do that for you with the greatest of honor and pleasure, as you are a silver member. I do it for everyone, but I will, throw my heart and soul into it. Right, Virgin Galactic, the market is now opened and we're seeing it rise. Did you buy the dips this morning? Did you buy the dips? Did you? Look, here we go. Here we go. 772. I just bought 300. I'm going to sell those. There we go, everybody. Here we go. Money's being made now. I told you. And that's exactly what's happening right now. There it goes. Sell 300 shares. Did you buy the dip this morning? And make the most of it. Review the order. Here we go. I just paid 2316. 2316. Here we go. More millionaires and billionaires are created in this situation than at any other time. Review order. Right. I bought for 772. Our aim is to make $200 a day day trading. We've upped it from 100 because we average between 200 and 600, so we've now upped it. 772, 773. This could be a small bounce. People are buying in. $774. $775. Watch it. Watch it. I'll sell this at 776. Sell. I sold at 774 in the end because it could go back down again. So we just sold that. So where are we now? 7. So we bought at 316. Yep, we've made 20 bucks on that one. Do it again. Shares 300. Wait for it to go back down again. You might want to get some Amazon. Amazon's popping up. Let me go over to the comments. I'm missing all the comments. Hi, KK2. Welcome. Hi, Zach. Welcome. God bless. Hello. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. The war in Ukraine is not good at all for humanity and the environment. We hope that it doesn't denigrate into a world war. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Together we can do this much for humanity. We can and we will. We can and we will, Zach. I'm going to do just that, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. We're right behind you, Zach. The people in Africa will be hit worse by this. Yes, indeed. We'll all stand by Zach. All right? We'll all support the people in need the most. Right, now we're up. I told you this was going to happen. Where are we going now? SPCE 776. So I just bought for 772, sold for 774. My average is now 813. Oh. Now you may ask why I bought Virgin Galactic in this situation. High risk stocks like this, which have the most volatility, bought at the right time, will make you more money than any other stock. That's why I'm in Virgin Galactic. That's why I did this. Look at it pump now. Look at the markets now. Look at that. 2.5% in the last hour. There we go. Tesla, 721. I've just bought a Tesla as well. Tesla will have a big bounce today as well. I will sell that one as well, though. I will sell that as that pops up. One at 724. Get ready to sell that one straight back. Congratulations, Vapors Guide. Okay, here we go. We're going to sell a Tesla right now. We have 10, way too much. Just bought it at 724. Get ready to sell it. Sell one share of Tesla. SPCE, high risk stocks. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this rebound. Oh my gosh. We're getting a huge rebound. This is the world putting two fingers up to Vladimir Putin right now. This is when billionaires and millionaires are created. Do not use your credit card. Do not overspend. High-risk stocks like Tesla and Virgin will make you the most profits. I tell you that. I want you to understand that. But they'll make you the biggest losses too if you play it wrong. Oh my gosh. Rivian, everything is firing. Everything is firing this morning. Literally everything is firing. Look at this. Look at Virgin Galactic. The highest risk stocks will make you the most money. We could get a drop back though. This could be an immediate buy-in and huge profit taking. That's what's going to happen today. I would not be at all surprised. Everything's pumping back. It doesn't matter what you buy right now. But the highest, most riskiest stocks are the ones that will make the most profit. We'll get a pullback though. We'll get a pullback from this. Things never go straight up. They pull back again. Tesla is now 729. We'll want to get out of the market. You don't want to be in this. 724, 729. Let's it's cooling down. 730. Let's get ready to sell one. Take profits where you can. I'll sell one. I've just trimmed off Tesla. Just made some profit. I've taken it out. Trim off. Oh, look at it. Okay, firing off now on all cylinders. We're up 4% on the hour. We're down 1% on the day. I just sold one of my Teslas. I've lowered my average now to 843. I'll buy it back on the rebound. On the recoil, sorry, because it will do that. There we go. We're starting to see it now. There it goes. Watch very closely. Hold, don't panic. Good morning, investors. More breaking news coming out of UK now on the front lines of all this. Let you listen in.
People, but the British public have always been willing to make sacrifice.
Yes.
To defend democracy on our continent.
Yes.
And we will again.
Yes.
Russia's democratic neighbours and every other democracy that lives in the shadow of autocratic power are watching their worst nightmare unfold. All those who believe in democracy over dictatorship, the rule of law over the reign of terror, in freedom over the jackboot of tyranny, must unite and take a stand.
Yep, that's exactly what we'll do. Russia is going to, I wouldn't be surprised if its financial crisis hits the whole country and it loses a lot of its power after this. The overall portfolio is on the hour we're up again, and on the day we're down 3% as you'd expect. Tesla, you see why I sold that one. I trimmed off, took some profit. I've lowered my average to 843. Tesla will rise again. Rivian, it's now moving up. SPCE, watching it closely. Amazon is now down at 2.8. Twitter is now increasing. Nvidia is now increasing. Peloton is now increasing. Facebook, Meta is just dropping back again. Gores Guggenheim hit 10.60. Lucid is now down, moving back. Good morning, everyone. We've got day trade of the day coming up in a minute. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. We invite you to become a member if you wish to support us here. This channel is not monetized. Today, I received nothing from this video at all. Hood is down 5%. Peloton is down. PayPal is down. No surprise. Tesla, we've lowered our average. Rivian, holding. Let's look at crypto, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum is flat. Let's go to the day position. Ethereum is up 2.5% today. Bitcoin is also up 1.69. It's my most secure asset. Let's bring in all our comments from everybody. There's Patty from Italy. How are you feeling today in Italy, mainland Europe? How are you today in Italy? Zach said he's going to do that. Did we all welcome Zach in? Hi, Zach. Did everybody? Yes, Alicia did. KK2 did. Thank you ever so much, guys, for welcoming Zach in. Very, very important. Right, we're now moving up again. Watching it very, very closely. As the news comes out, we'll bring it to you. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up as well. Let us know you're here. We want your comments in the chat. We want to hear from you. We want to know what you feel about all this today. Amazon has improved. How much you down? Oh, Virgin Galactic's coming back up again. Today we are down 1.69, Mohammed. But I've just made profit from Virgin Galactic and lowered my averages again. And also I've made money. Remember the target every day now is to make $200. I think we've made about $50 so far. Bought Tesla, bought Rivian, and bought Tesla and Virgin and sold them both. Bought them on the dip and popped them and sold them on the pop. And so we're about $50 so far we've made. We've lowered our averages. Tesla's now pumping up. I've got 9 shares of Tesla now. I've got an average now of 843. Let me give everybody the all links button. This includes my Instagram account and all the free stocks. Here it is. And also let me give you the invitation to join as a member. For those of you that directly, a lot of you are now supporting me on my Instagram account. I'll give you that directly as well. Here we go. Here it is. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Here is the Day Trader Instagram account. I'm going to give it to you now. There it is. All right. Down 7.76. I'm only down 1%, really. I've managed this market pretty well, I think. Yeah, I'm down 1.65. Martin, we're all well at the moment. In Italy, we have other problems, unfortunately. Thank you so much for asking. I appreciate it a lot. Of course, we're all thinking of you. Thinking of anyone over there. Thinking of everybody. It feels kind of weird, really, for me, being in America when all this is going on. I'll tell you that. My country's being threatened. What's going on? Tesla is down 3%, but improving. We've just made some money there. SPCE is now pumping back up again. Down 1.43. Amazon is down today. Twitter is now rising. Oh, Twitter's gone green. Twitter went green for a moment there. Nvidia, Palantir. Please, I have a question. Yes, you have a question. You are a member, so I'll answer your question. How does the war really affect stock? And if it does, it affect all stock of some of the stock related in Russia. Right. Basically, Sagan, the stock markets, the indexes around the world trade on stability. We trade on security. People invest money in markets they feel secure about. The reason why people sell out of a stock for 2 reasons. One, the stock is obviously, the business has gone rubbish and nobody, it's gone bad. Well, that's not what's happening here. Or there's fear in the market. And people know that when there's instability, like in wartime, people sell out and move their money elsewhere, run to the hills and so on. And that's what forces the market to go down. People don't like insecurity, and they don't like the unknown. And that's what happens. You will have companies directly benefiting positively and negatively through war. If, for example, one of our companies here starts making missiles and suddenly everybody's buying missiles, that company would do well. So that's going to be a direct response to the current situation. But Virgin Galactic is not doing anything to do with that. But the market will sell off because people will move out of the market. They'll take their money out. And what you do as an investor, you buy when everyone else is selling. You sell when everyone else is buying. And right now, you saw what happened this morning. I bought in the dip. I instantly sold it. I was not greedy and thinking, oh wow, I've got Virgin Galactic for $7.90, $7.70. Oh, it's going to go to $100. I just took my profits. The idea is to make $200 every day without getting greedy, and I've lowered my average. My average is now 813. 813. So that's a general outline of what's going on and how it works. And as I said, and I'll keep saying, I want everyone to get it through their heads. More millionaires and billionaires are created through war than any other time because there's more volatility in the market, and volatility brings opportunity. I mean, who'd have thought we'd buy Tesla for $744? Who thought it would ever be this low again? Well, it is right now. It's your opportunity to go back in time. But when people talk about Bitcoin, it's my most secure asset. Look at this. Bitcoin today is doing better than the other stocks. Look at this. Bitcoin is today up 2.66. Bitcoin is my most secure asset. Okay? Russia can do what they like. They can't affect that. All right? China tried. China tried to they banned Bitcoin and all the rest of it. All they did was put themselves out of the loop. What's the point? Bitcoin is for the future, and it protects against this sort of nonsense. So there you go. But don't get greedy. Take profits along the way, and you might be able to buy the dips again. Rivian is that. Look at this. We're going green for the day. We're going green. Look at the Rivian. We're green now. SPCE. Look at it. We're all pushing up now. The world is pushing against this. So Twitter is now up today. Look at this. Nvidia is moving up. Palantir is moving up. Facebook is moving up. GGPI down at 1068. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 8%. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 8%. I've said this so many times now, Martin. Look in crypto. Look, Bitcoin. Yeah, but it's up today. Bitcoin is $35,000. It moves a lot, but it's up today 2.99. You could have made a big profit by buying these dips. So yes, it is down over the last 24 hours. Yes, it is. But today it's up again by 3%. I absolutely agree with you. I know what you're saying. Let me put your comment on the screen there. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 8%. I've said this to you so many times now, Martin. Look, I'm looking. Paul B, I'm looking. All right. I closed my Peloton for profit instead of loss. Not much profit to speak of, but I didn't lose any money. That's absolutely right. Absolutely right. Let me look at that mine as well. Yeah, I haven't got any money in that at the moment. I'm down 17% on that one, so there's nothing there for me yet. But anyway, the market now today is nearly flat despite all of this. Tesla's now moving up 749. Rivian is firing off. Look at that. SPCE now 802. Amazon, Twitter, everything. All right, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. Day Trader of the Day in a few moments' time. And we are about to find out who the winner is today. Don't forget, tomorrow morning, we are back today for the closing bell. Tomorrow morning, we will be here, of course, for the cash giveaway. Every Friday morning we do it. I will tell you as well, everybody's sources have been sent out, and everybody that won the spices has been sent out. And everyone everyone who won cash prizes over the last few weeks, everyone's received their money. They get it immediately, all right? So everything's been paid out. Amazon is falling back down now, 2.8. Twitter, Nvidia, Rivian is firing off. Tesla is lifting off again. I've lowered my average now to 843. Look at that. 5.5% on the hour has gone up. 35.7. Getting better all the time. Tesla moving up. Rivian, SPCE. $8.13 now. Amazon taking a dive. Ethereum is up 4.5 today. Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin on the hour is up, and up on the day it's up 2.8. 2.8. We're watching very, very closely now to the markets and seeing where we're going. Our target today is $200 to make every day. So far, we've made $50. I could have made a lot more than that if I'd held. So I could have easily done that, but that doesn't really count. Rivian. Oh, Virgin Galactic went green then. See that? I don't think we're going to fall back down again. We had the sell-off with the news, and then it came up right back up. That's where it wants to sit. It likes being up there. It was just a sell-off this morning, profit taking, and it's holding around there. I don't think it's going to go back down again now. I don't think so. I think it's just going to go sideways or start to push up from this point. So this could be its real bottom, not the temporary bottoms, the little blips, but its actual bottom around $8 here. It likes that. Twitter is doing well now. Nvidia is pushing up. Everything's pushing up now. These immediate drops. Palantir is now pushing up. Facebook is pushing up. GGPI. Let's have a quick look at DWAC. Has there anybody got their account yet? Their Truth Social. Have you got that yet? Digital World, here it is. It's down today 5%. It bounced back, but not as much as others. No, I still wouldn't touch that. Things are improving now. Virgin Galactic holding at 8. Oh, there we go. We're green. We're green on the day. I'm down $40. $40 right now. 8.10. What's everybody think about what's going on right now? What have you all done? I want to get everyone's positions. Right, let's do day trader of the day. I am down 0.3 right now. Down 0.34 right now. Okay, there is my score. Don't post your score just yet. Are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute on the clock. When I start the clock, you can put your score on the door, and let's see if anyone. Let's see who wins today. Okay, 1 minute from now. Here we go. So down 0.8 as Paul, down 8, sorry. Vapors Guide down 1.83. So I'm in the lead, down 11%. Oh, I'm terribly sorry, Corinda. That's tough. That's tough. What is your portfolio? We'll have a look at that in a minute. Let's see if we can have a look at that. So I'm winning, down 0.34. So am I going to win? Again today? I won yesterday. What's going on? Why are my traders not beating me? What's going on? 3, 2, 1. Okay. 0.75. That means I'm the winner again. I'm the winner again. That's 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. What's going on with that? Let me. Why has Bill's comment got stuck? Let me close that a minute. Don't know why that's got stuck. There we go. Down 2.8. Okay, well, looks like today I take the crown today. Then, awesome. I'll thank myself for my honest trades. Thank you very much. Thank you, Martyn. You did a good job. Give myself a thumbs up. Thank you, Martyn. Thanks for the thumbs up. And give myself a round of applause. Oh yeah. All right. So let's look at it's like my face. What's like your face? Virgin Galactic is going back down again now, 793. Congrats. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, what I want to do is have a look at the portfolio, share it with you. Now, my portfolio is available on Twitter and Discord. Okay, here it is. Martyn has vanished off the screen. Where have I gone? I'm here. I'm here. What's going on? What do you mean I've vanished? Oh. Oh, yeah. I see. Hang on a minute. I've deleted myself. Hang on a minute. What's happened here? I have, haven't I? Bill's comment, for some reason, made my... Bill's comment got stuck on the screen, and it made my... where's it gone? I'm still here, folks, but for some reason, I've just... hang on a minute. Let me start again. I'm still here. You can hear me, right? But I've just disappeared. Right, where the hell have I gone? Right, there I am there. Right, Google. Right, there I am there. But I'm not there. Right, I'm back. I'm back. I've no idea what happened. I've no idea what happened. I found myself. Let me just get rid of all these comments. Oh, flipping it. I've broken everything. There we go. Right, I'm back. No idea what happened there. Okay. It's Bill's fault. Blame Bill. Where were we? Right, we were showing everybody the trades, right? My portfolio. Now, Corinda, we invite you to share your portfolio on the Discord group. Here is the the Discord group is here. I'm trying to give it you directly. Here it is. Here's the invitation for the Discord. If you share your portfolio there, everybody, we can discuss it, because we don't want you to lose losses like that again. There you go. There is the Discord group. Go and join that. So here's my portfolio, right? Google, Twitter, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Rivian, SPCE, GGPI, Lucid, Hood, Peloton, PayPal, Immersion, Harp, On, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Disney, VTI, McDonald's, MasterCard, ARK, ICLN. These are all my dividend stocks now. Sorry, my ETFs. We now move into dividend stocks, which pay me regularly an income. Very nice. Thank you very much indeed for that. And then some few new ones at the bottom there. Canf, Nvidia, and Peloton, right? My crypto is Ethereum and Bitcoin. I have some Doge only because I was donated it during the show. It's not what I invest in, all right? I only invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? Just so you know. All right, let's scroll back down again, and let's get into the positions. Tesla's falling back again. SPCE is holding up there at 7.99. That's fine. It's my face. It likes it. Yeah, when I put your face on the screen, it blows up my account. All right, breaking news again. This came from earlier, but I want to let you hear it. This is our Prime Minister.
That the Russian dictator will ever subdue the national feeling of the Ukrainians and their passionate belief that their country should be free.
And all the while, the military assault continues. This is an airport in the city of Mariupol, a Ukrainian port town, less than 12 miles from the nearest trenches in the eastern Donbass region. And in the west, on the border with Poland, Ukrainians are fleeing.
I'm of Ukrainian heritage, and to see this happening to the country is just devastating. I just can't believe someone could be so evil.
This is a country gripped by panic. Ukrainians are queuing to give blood. And the roads west out of Kiev gridlocked. What all of this means for the world order will unfold later. For now, though, the focus is on the ordinary people caught in conflict.
There we go. That's what's happening live right now in a European country. Unbelievable. Amazon's now recovering. Twitter is recovering today. SPCE is doing very well. The overall portfolio is now just down 0.7 today. Very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. My portfolio is very comfortable with this. It's holding its position. I've got no issues with it at all. Coca-Cola is down 2.6. Hang on a minute. Right. Opportunity to buy Coke. You get dividends with Coke. Yeah. I'm going to buy Coke right now. Very stable asset. Let's have a look at that. Pays a good dividend. If you look, you receive a 2.73 dividend with this. Let me come back to that one. Okay, if you've just tuned in, I'll look at that in a minute. Might get some more Coke. Space is green. Thanks, Moose. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. Yeah. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Where do you see the world going right now? Yep. I'm green on the day. I am green on the day. My portfolio is solid and robust. Overall, my portfolio is good. I'm up 6% on the hour. I'm up on the day. 8.16. There we go. Rebounding back. Great. Great. Amazon as well. Rebounding back. Twitter. Nvidia. Everything is lifting off again now. Palantir, sorry. Facebook. Yep. All good. Gores, Guggenheim, lifting off. Lucid is up. Hood is up. Hood is up. Look at that. Hood is firing. Oh, Hood is moving big time. Hood is moving. These high-risk stocks is where you'll make your most money today. See, I don't see them as high risk, but other people do. This is why I buy them. 36. We're up nearly 1% today. The portfolio is strong, and we are doing great now. We are up now. Here we go. Tesla is moving up. I have 9 shares, 843. I feel confident now in my market. Rivian is firing off. SPCE is firing off. 823, 822, 21. Feel happy with this. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 3% now. Ethereum is up 5% now. Let's look at Apple. Let's have a look at Apple. We're at 1% now. We're up $370 on the day. We're climbing now. Apple, bring it in. All right, we're firing off now. 156. I'm buying 5 apples. Bag of apples. I'm buying 5 of them. My loss was 7%. It's now 2. I'm happy with that. Done. We're up 1.36. Okay. We're looking at all these profits now coming in. Moose, I love the way Moose is presenting it this morning. Look, you're trying to be a day trader. Hey Moose, you're trying to be a day trader, posting all the news for me. What's going on? What's going on? It's my show. Mike, tell him it's my show. 1.13, 1.18. Look at it. Tesla's firing up. Now, where did it go yesterday? It got around the 875. It got as high, 890. Oh. Right. We are now up 1.5%. We've made $500 today. We're really pumping up now. We've moved more into Apple. We bought more of Apple. We bought more of Coke. Bitcoin. Nvidia. Twitter. Recovering now. Virgin Galactic. 2.27 now. What, 1.54, $552 today, we're up. Tesla's pumping up, about to go green. Wow, getting huge recoveries, huge returns right now. Here's moves, everybody's watching it very closely. Take some profits for days ahead like this. 8:30. Oh, huge day. What are you going to do today? Where are you going to go? If you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Help share this video to more people and let us know what your stocks are, what you're trading this morning, what you're looking to do. It's when to pull the lever. Yeah, Vapor, you've made some money this morning. You bought these dips. It's different for everyone. It's different for everyone. You're not trying to beat the market. You'll never do that. Have you made a profit? Are you up? That's the only reason why you invest, right? To make money. That's why these companies exist, to make money. It's what it's for. I could sell my entire position now, like I did yesterday. Remember? I sold my entire position yesterday in Virgin. Do you remember? And I bought it all back. So I ended up 600 up, 650 up. Now I'm 300 up. That's over $1,000 now. I could sell the whole lot and buy it back again tomorrow. Doesn't matter. It's not about, I mean, we haven't got the big news is a few months away. So right now it's opportunity to buy and sell this stock. And if you miss out, you miss out. It doesn't matter. You bought the space this morning at 7, you bought at 774. Well, you got to decide, what does that money do for you? Oh, blimey, this is looking good. I'm up now 2.25%. Vladimir Putin, money is moving out of Russia into my account. You're spooking the world. I bought cheaper shares. You're going to get none of it, and I'm getting it. Thank you very much indeed. Carry on. Carry on with your nonsense. Oh, look at this now. Oh, Tesla. All right, I'm coming up to 3% up now. Rivian is firing. SPC is 835. Amazon is up now. Twitter. Nvidia. All pushing back. All pushing back. Facebook. Wow. Google is moving up. Everything now. Apple is moving up. Yep. Boeing is up. I'm up 2.5% now. Sorry, Boeing is moving up. Rolls-Royce is moving up. Nearly 3% now. What's everybody doing? What's everybody going to do now? If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell and smash the like button. Thank you very much for doing that. Appreciate it very much indeed. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. We're live trading to make $200 a day. That's what we do. $771, $772. Still holding. Looking at this now. Remember yesterday I sold out my entire position. It rose up, I made 600, then I made $50, 650, and I sold everything and I bought back here. So you have to decide now where it fits right for you. I'm selling all my Virgin Galactic. Sold all of Virgin Galactic. Just sold all. Just sold all my Virgin Galactic. Everything. Done it again like yesterday. I've just sold my entire SPCE collection. Do you want to call it that? There you go. I've just sold my entire. Okay. High market. I'm up nearly 2% today, and I've just sold my entire portfolio of Tesla, of SPCE again. I sold it all yesterday. Made over $1,000 in the end, and I've just sold it all again. I'm happy with the profit I made. I'll buy it back again. Nice, good job. Thank you, market. I'm up today 1.54. I've made $500. I've made way over our $200 average today, and the portfolio is stronger than ever. Virgin Galactic, it's too early for the big big news. I took that swing there, and we'll buy it back again if it drops down again. Let's sell another Tesla. Would we buy it? 724. Buy 774. Okay. Trim space except for my shares at 774. Okay, good for you, mate. Remember the stock doesn't know which shares are which, right? It doesn't know. It doesn't go, I'm going to sell these shares that you paid $8 for, and I'm going to sell these. That's only for your calculation, all right? The overall situation you're in. It doesn't know which, or it's not going to sell the high stocks or the low stocks. It just sells your stocks, all right? That's for your calculation and your calculation alone. Right. Virgin Galactic, I'll buy in again. Now, I'll get it cheaper again next time. So, Virgin Galactic now is up, but I've just sold it all. 819, 818. High-risk stocks in this crisis can make you more money, but they can lose more money as well. All you're doing is investing in the volatility of the stock, right? 798 as a good support level. SPCE, 798. So this morning we've added to our position. Bitcoin's our strongest asset as always. Ethereum is doing well. Coca-Cola, we bought more Coke this morning. We've now have 22 shares of that. Google, we haven't touched that. Apple, we've improved our position. We now have 7 shares of Apple. Much, much better. Boeing. Rolls-Royce is now lifting up. On is now firing up. Immersion is now coming up. PayPal is now coming up. I've improved my position there. Peloton is lifting up. Hood has had a good day. Not going to buy any more there. Lucid has done well today. GGPI, I'll buy it when it gets nearer 10. Meta, I'll buy it back later. Palantir, Nvidia. Okay, no profit to be sold there yet. Twitter, Amazon. This could happen again tomorrow, folks, so protect your losses. Remember, it's easy to make money. The difficult part is keeping it. Virgin Galactic. Market's saying it has a 798 good support level. I might touch it again. I'm going to wait. I don't mind if I'm out right now. We're getting some more breaking news for you. Let me bring it to you now.
Russia out of that, it will really hit their economy hard. We'll talk to our business presenter Ian King about that in a moment. But there was a very sobering moment in that news conference there. He said that while we speak, people are dying. So the Ukrainian ambassador to the UK underlining the urgency of this.
All right. Sagan wants to know the price update. Price update on what? Are you talking about this ticker here? Bringing it in now for you. This one here, is this what you're talking about? That one? Virgin Galactic is now dropping back down again. We'll bring you more breaking news from the business sector in a second.
Russian occupation forces are trying to seize the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. He says our defenders are giving their lives so that the tragedy of 1986 will not be repeated. He says, I have reported this to the Swedish Prime Minister. This is a declaration of war against the whole of Europe. Our international affairs editor, Dominic Alcorn, was in Chernobyl. He was reporting from there not too long ago here on Sky News, a matter of days ago, and he pointed out that Chernobyl is significant because it is the shortest direct route to the Ukrainian capital, Kiev, from the Belarus border. So that is the latest we have from the Ukrainian president, that the radioactive Chernobyl exclusion zone is trying to be breached by Russian troops, Ukrainian forces battling there, Russian troops trying to seize the Chernobyl nuclear plant. We understand the Ukraine president saying this is a declaration of war against the whole of Europe. Another...
Dear oh dear. That's not good news. That's not good news at all. I mean, if you can use your current price to trade in Wealthsimple is 15 minutes behind the update. Keep on. I mean, if I can use your current price, what price? What price are you talking about, Sagan? Price for what stock? I don't know what price you mean. You need to be clear. Wealthsimple, yeah, I know update, but what do you mean? Which stock are you looking at? Oh, here's the business news now. Let me bring this to you now. Here we go. This is important. This is important. Okay, here we go. Is the business news reflected in this? This is from London.
Damage to Iran. This was at a time when the Obama administration was ratcheting up sanctions on Iran. The feeling is, though, that the Russian banking system is just too big to be hoofed out of SWIFT. It's just too plumbed into the global banking system without there being severe repercussions on European lenders and Western lenders as well. I mean, at the moment, there are some $30 billion worth of exposure to Russian banks in the Western banking system, the majority of them among Italian and French lenders. And the feeling is that if you cut the Russians out of SWIFT, or potentially these banks are left high and dry, there's no way of their getting their money back. And it would have all sorts of other repercussions as well in terms of businesses trying to transact with Russian businesses. Now, you might assume that that is going to happen a lot less in future. But, for example, Gazprom would no longer be able to accept payments from Western customers for its gas. And ultimately, that would mean that it would have to cut them off. And the ambassador there was saying that he really did think that the West needed to pull the plug on Russian gas imports now more generally, which would, as he acknowledged, be very, very painful. And we're seeing that playing out in the energy markets today. The price of oil, well, it went above $100 a barrel first thing this morning, first time since August 2014, the time of the Crimea annexation, of course, coincidentally. Right now on the screen there you can see a barrel of Brent crude changing hands at $103.45 a barrel, up just shy of 7%. It's been as high as $105.50 this morning, earlier on in the session. But this is clearly going to have ramifications on the cost of living everywhere. It doesn't matter at all that the UK is a very, very small buyer of Russian gas. We will still be affected because those countries that do buy their gas from Russia, well, they're going to have to look for alternatives, chiefly for liquefied natural gas cargoes from around the world, which currently supply something like 12% of the UK's energy supplies. And indeed, One of the analysts in the city who has been looking at this very closely is a gentleman called Martyn Young. He works at Investec, the investment bank and stockbroker. He's put out a note in the last hour and a half to his clients in which he is speculating that on what he's seen in the energy markets today, and the recent rises that we've seen in oil and gas prices, he thinks that the energy price cap could have to rise to as much as £3,000 come October. That's the next time that Ofgem, the energy regulator, is due to review the cap. Obviously, it's rising to £1,971 from the beginning of April. But Martyn, you have Investec there saying that he thinks there's a risk the price cap would have to go to £3,000, and that would cause immense pain to a lot of UK households. And it really does bring home, Sarah Jane, the fact that this is a conflict, even though it's many hundreds of miles away, that affects everyone around the world. It will affect us in other ways as well. For example, higher commodity prices. We've seen, for example, wheat prices today. Russia and Ukraine together produce around 30% of global wheat exports. Well, wheat prices of the day gone to their highest level since 2012. So again, this is likely to feed through to higher flour and bread prices in due cost. The Russians also and the Ukrainians produce half of the world's sunflower oil. So again, cost of cooking, cost of ingredients likely to go up very, very sharply. By the way, I should say Wall Street has opened in the last hour or so. All of the main US stock indices are lower. The Nasdaq is now in bear market territory.
OK, Ian, thank you. Ian.
There you go. There's the information. I brought it to you there so you could see it. That's affecting the global market. So where are we right now? Sagum has said, can you show me the SPCE one? There we go. I've now sold my entire position of SPCE, made another profit from it this morning, and we'll buy it back when it drops back down. If it drops back down, of course, I want to be in it, but I will. But overall now, see, I protected myself. Remember what I've said. It's easy to make money. It's hard to maintain money and keep it. On a day like today, when all the markets are down, I am up 1%. I'm protecting my assets and I'm making money all the time. It's very, very important to do that. Virgin Galactic, you've got to be patient. I might buy it when it goes back down again. Tesla, I've lowered my average today to 843. Fantastic. Rivian, same thing. I'm down. I've improved my position there. Much, much better. Amazon, I didn't buy in Amazon today. I could have done, but I decided not to. Twitter is up. Nvidia, and the reason why I didn't buy Amazon, please try to digest my message. You want to see SPCE, that's what you wanted, yeah, that's what I'm showing you right now. There's the price. I'm waiting to buy it back again. I know you are multitasking. You ain't kidding. But there we go. If you've just tuned in today, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up, and thank you very much indeed. So all markets are down and crashing, but our portfolio here is up. Bitcoin is up as well. Ethereum is up. Sagum, I'll try and bring you as much information as I can. Apple is dropping back down again. I've lowered my averages today. I'm happy to do that. On Rolls-Royce is now moving up. Facebook has moved up today. Looking good. I'm happy with this. Rivian, good. Tesla, good. SPCE, we're looking for an entry point again. If it drops back down again, 8, I think 8. What was my average before all of this? I'd have to go back to the beginning of the video. I could do that actually. I could actually look back. No, where am I? What was my average before this? So my live show here. If I go here, I can actually see what my average is. I'm using my own video to go back in time, so I can do that. Right. Somewhere around here. Right, my average, 822. My average was 822. Right, okay. SPCE, 822. Right, so I'll buy back in at this point here. My average was 822, and I took a profit, and I'll get it around about 750, something around here. 822. We'll buy back in. We'll buy back in with Virgin Galactic. We've taken our profit. We'll get back in, and if we don't, that's fine. But I'll buy one right now because it's lower than my average was. So 820. I'll buy one. Review order 819. We'll just buy one to market. 818. There we go. 816. 817. There it goes, back down again. My 822. So this is my new average now. My new average is 813. So we're now buying back in again. Let's refresh the screen and let's have a look at that now as we buy back into Virgin Galactic and do it again. Portfolio is now up 0.65 on the day. SPCE, we now have one share again. All right, 810. Down she goes. Down she goes. And we'll buy back in again. 822 was our last buy in and we made profit on that. So now what we want to do, we want to buy it again. If you've just tuned in, if we can get one more like, 30 likes, that'd be fantastic. If you're watching right now, smash the like button and see if we can get 811, 813, 812. We've improved our position with Tesla. We'll start shaving off with Tesla soon. Amazon as well. We'll revisit that in a minute. Nvidia going back down again. Peloton going back down again. So we've made our money this morning. You want her at 8. She's a she, right? Virgin Galactic's a she. All right. So I'll buy 10. We'll start accumulating now. We'll buy 10 at 814 and we'll start accumulating so we get small trades. 814. We'll start building it up again. As I buy in, it starts to go up again. We'll start making money. Um, 36, we're now up nearly 1%. 31 likes, thank you very much indeed. Don't forget at the end of the show, in fact, we'll do it now. If anybody wants to, if anyone would like a song, a live song during the show, you can request a song. This is not a monetized video. I'm making no money out of this video. If you want to support me, I never do this normally on a day trader show. But if anybody wants me to do a song request, you can have a song request live in the show. All you got to do is give me a tip in the super chat and I will sing a song for you. Whatever song you want, I'll do it for you because this video is not monetized. I'm making nothing from it. So if you want to, if you want me to sing a song live on the show today, you can. Normally I try and steer away from that, but today I will sing a song if anyone gives me a super chat. You can make requests for any song you like. All right, and I'll do it live in the show. If you want that, whatever song you want. Okay, we've got breaking news now. Here we go. We're back over with Russia again.
Let's hear from the MP for Podilsk in Odessa, where there have been attacks today. He told Sky News that President Putin will not stop at invading Ukraine.
Putin is a Hitler of 21st century. In the middle of Europe, in the 21st century, just a war, killings, civilians killed, bombing, rockets attacks, missiles attacks, and I don't know, I don't have words enough to express it. And it's not only about Ukraine, it's much bigger picture. If Putin will be not stopped now, that will be the Third World War. He's not going to stop in Ukraine. He is going to move forward. Then it will be Baltic countries, then it will be Poland. So he's not going to stop just for you.
Oh, what sort of words we're hearing today. Anyway, there we go. So we are where we are right now. We are overall, we are up to date 1%. We've made money from this situation. We're buying back. We sold all our position of Virgin Galactic. We took profit. We're buying as it drops down, and we keep selling as it pops back up again. All right. Okay, I am gold. Yes, you've been upgraded now, Bill, because you've been a member now for 2 months. That's what happens. If anyone goes in the super chat and gives me a tip, I will play a song for you live in the show. Any song you like, because this video is not monetized, I can do any song you want live in the show, okay? More breaking news. Let's bring it to you
outside
right now.
the area that was self-declared, so that's a Ukrainian area. There's fighting going on around Kharkiv, which is a vulnerable, that's the second city, vulnerable place. And there's fighting going on around Odessa. It looks as if there was an invasion from the Black Sea against Odessa, plus air attacks. And there's some fighting going on around Lviv, which ought to be the safest city in Ukraine. It's the western city. But of course, the issue for everybody is what is happening in Kiev. And we know that Russian forces are moving in on Kiev from two directions. The distances, depending on which direction we're talking about, is somewhere between 150 and 200 miles. That means that they might be there by tonight or tomorrow. Depends really what Ukrainian forces do. If they try to hold them in some sort of pitched battle, they'll probably lose quite badly. If they try to slow them down, that might work, but it would only slow them down. Somewhere in the next 48 hours, we can expect Russian forces to either be in or surrounding Kiev.
The attack didn't come as a surprise, but most eyes were on the Donbass region. I think what caught people by surprise is the scale of the attacks from Russia overnight. What impact will all of that have? Because it will have taken the population of Ukraine by surprise to find that some parts are under attack. It's not just a focus on the Donbass region.
Yes, clearly President Putin is going for broke. He's trying to create a multi-pronged invasion of Ukraine, not just get away with something in the Donbass by threatening everywhere else. And that's going to create a big refugee problem. We've got lots of video footage now of what's happening in the business of refugees. We know that people who got up normally this morning suddenly find themselves in their cars heading towards Lviv, heading towards the Polish border, the border with Slovakia.
Continue fighting now in Europe. Right, we've just seen a bit of a bounce here on Virgin Galactic, so I'm going to sell. I've just bought 11, so I'm going to sell 10, take that profit, review that order, and 825, 826. Sell. Okay, just make a profit there, just $1 profit, but I'll take it. Okay, that adds to the pile today, and we are looking at buying more as it drops back down again. So there we go. Just added another profit, another dollar to the bank today. So we're taking advantage of the situation. So let's get ready to buy again on the dips. The overall portfolio is now up 1.5%. We're up $566 today. Virgin Galactic is lifting up again. Tesla is now doing very, very well. Much better. We're now rising. We're rising across all the stocks now. Amazon's doing much better. Rivian is doing much better. All these stocks now. How can you trade on Robinhood? I thought it is US only. Yes, I'm in the UK. I'm from the UK, but I'm in Texas. I'm in Texas. That's where my studio is. But you can have it in the UK if you've got a US address. I have both, of course, because I live in both countries. All right. SBCE back up again. You're very welcome. Jock and Seeger, lovely to have you here. Welcome. We've got all sorts of stuff going on today. Breaking news around the world, of course, with what's happening in Russia, and we keep bringing it to you.
Decree on martial law in Ukraine. And some other decrees that allowed for the government to be.
As we get it, we bring it to you. My portfolio is now up 2% today. We're making huge gains now. We bought all the dips this morning. Let's check our Bitcoin position. Yep, doing well. Ethereum doing well. Coca-Cola is just trading sideways now. I improved my position there this morning, bought that. Apple, I bought my position there, improved my position there this morning, and bought some more Apple. That's doing well. PayPal is pushing up. Peloton is pushing up. Hood is having a good day. Lucid is lifting off as well. High risk stocks, Rivian, and is doing well. Tesla is doing well. SPCE is doing well. I'm going to buy another dip again in a minute. 815 is my new average. Lowered it from 822. Sold my position. Sold out. Took all the profits. I'm now looking to buy more below 822. We'll get another sell-off later on, I would imagine. We're up now 1.83, 36.4. As you can see, we've climbed 2.3 now on the hour, and we're up now 1.8. If you've just tuned in, welcome everybody. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real money, my real life savings. And we're trading here this morning. And we're watching what's going on. We're bringing you the breaking news from Russia, how it's affecting the markets, what's going on in the world. And Jochen, where are you today? Jochen Seeger. Where are you from? Here is the all links button if you'd like to be part of our Discord, our Twitter account, get all the free stocks. A lot of people sponsor me and give me free stuff. So here is the all links button. Go and claim all the things you can from here. I give everything I get away back to you. If you want to be a member and gain all the benefits as a member, here is the invitation to join. Germany. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Guten Morgen, Jochen Sieger. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas. Ich Pianospieler. Ein Pianola man. And Dankeschön for being here today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Willkommen, willkommen, willkommen. And this is good. Meine Freund Jochen Sieger, willkommen to our show today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Apologise, ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut, but I do my best. Virgin Galactic is up 1.79 now. We're looking to, we're just a little dip, we go, more breaking news. Fair effort. Fair effort. Not bad.
Pretty solid. However, in the south, we have lost a lot of territory by now. Kherson region, which borders occupied Crimea, had lost several towns. And in the east, they've been pretty, our troops have been pretty well defending. Here in the Kyiv region,
keeping an eye on watching what's going on over there in Europe. It's affected all the markets today, but presented lots of opportunity to buy in, which is exactly what I've managed to do today. I've made lots of profits on different things, and we're waiting to buy back down again on Virgin Galactic. We will do that shortly. Tesla is now 766. We've made huge steps forward today with that. Rivian is up today. Amazon is up today. A huge opportunity to buy Amazon today. Twitter today, 33. Huge opportunities there. Nvidia is doing well now. We're starting to make money there. Palantir is making money now. Facebook is now pushing up. GGPI, 1091. It's a good time to buy in with that one. It's protected at 10, of course, for the merger. Lucid doing very well as well. Got 11 shares there. Making money there. Hood. Made money on Hood today. Peloton is up, is moving up now. PayPal is moving up today. Immersion is pushing back as well. On is pushing back. Rolls-Royce is pushing back. Boeing is pushing back. Apple, we bought some Apple today. Lowered our averages now down to 156. We like that. Very, very nice. Google is now moving up. Coca-Cola is now also up. Sorry, Coca-Cola is stabilizing. I bought more Coke this morning on that dip there. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Of course, Coca-Cola pays me a decent dividend. That's why I've moved more into that. I'm up 2% now, so things are improving all the time. We're waiting to get back into SPCE, and we will do so. Probably get a dip later on. We shall see what happens. 8:30 now. Coming up to the hour. I'll bring you the breaking news as we get it.
You mentioned Chernobyl there and Russian troops trying to take that region. That is, of course, Russia's quickest route to the capital where you are from Belarus. Will you stay? What will your family do? What are your personal plans?
I'm definitely staying. We are supposed to stay because Parliament and every other government body needs to function. We have special arrangements which will allow us to continue our work. Of course, the biggest worry is the families, and we also are making arrangements that we put them in safe places. However, my understanding is that at least the MPs from our party, the government party, servant of the people, pretty much all of them have...
There we go. More news breaking. We'll bring it to you as and when we get it. If you are watching right now, I want to do an update on who's watching. Should we continue the show and continue this news? I want to see who's with me. So I'm going to do a poll. Should we continue show? Special. Should we continue show? Yes or no? We normally end the show at this point. I'm going to ask the poll. So if you wish me to continue, go into the live chat, leave a comment, and please vote on the on the poll, please. I want to know who's with me, whether I should continue with you on this very, very dramatic day on the markets today. So anyway, we're up 2% now. We're having an almighty day. Virgin Galactic is up to 8.29. We're waiting to buy back in again. 8.22 was our average. Tesla is moving up. Rivian is moving up. Amazon is moving up. Everything's now moving up. Sell off and everything's now rebounding. All these stocks are rebounding. We're waiting to get back into Virgin Galactic as well, as we can. Let's get a poll. 3 votes, 100% so far. I want to know who's watching me right now. Go into the live chat. Do you wish me to continue? I normally end at this point. Remember, this video is not monetized. I get nothing from this video at all. If you want me to do a song today, because I'm not getting monetized, give me a super chat tip, and I'll play you a song in the live chat. I'll play you a song. I'll go to my studio and do something to lighten the mood. Do that, but just let me know if you wish me to continue today's show. SPCE. Yep, I've traded it several times today. Made money on it. As you can see, my portfolio today is up over 2%. We had a huge crash. I bought the dips, and we're up 2%. We're waiting to buy back in SPCE. I think we'll get another sell-off of it right now. So that's what I'll do again. I sold my entire position earlier. Just got back home. American markets doing well considering. UK markets are a right mess. Over 4% on my long-term holdings. Do check. I'm sorry to hear that. My portfolio today is up nearly 2%. There it is. You can see on the screen. You are doing great. And although I'm only trading with 20 quid, it's a start. Captain Birdseye. I love it. We love the small traders here. It's what we're all about. I know we have some very large traders here, but let me tell you something, Captain Birdseye. I started out with $5,000 and I grew it to 58 and now we're back at 36 due to all the war and the crisis and COVID. So it can be done on a small amount. 20 quid is where it starts. Do never put yourself down because it's 20 quid. I love the fact you're being honest and sharing that with us, and that's great. You can turn 20 quid into 200 quid quite easily. The secret is how to keep your money, and that's what we're trying to demonstrate here. This is my real money, my real trade, my real position. I'm looking to get back into Virgin Galactic, but just not yet. We're getting a bit of a uplift now. Let me just buy 10 shares of of Virgin Galactic at 10. This is not to keep at this price. 833. What did I just pay for those? 833. I'm just trying to make some money on the way up as well. And we are now up 1.68, just falling back a little bit now, just slightly. Virgin Galactic is now 832. We're waiting to buy a much bigger position than this, but we're just nibbling at it, nibbling away. We just sold 1,300 shares of it a short while ago, and took all the profits, and that's what we did. 837. It's pushing up. We're just nibbling at profits right now, waiting for it to fall back down again, because we will. I'm sure it will happen later on, probably in the morning again. $8.40. Getting a little bit of a rise. Yep, pushing up again. 8.39, 8.40. We're just nibbling at profits right now, just nibbling at profits. Tesla's now 761. Much better. Rivian is now moving up. Amazon is now also moving up. Twitter is moving up. We're fighting against this now. Things are improving. Here's the breaking news.
To more than £3,000 later this year. A massive sanction response is promised. The Champions League final has today been pulled.
Okay, let's come back to that when that returns to the crisis in Europe. Captain Birdseye, buy more. It's an opportunity, but some of us have no dry powder. We understand everyone's in different situations. Virgin Galactic is now 835, 836. We sold our entire position. We had $13,000 here, and we sold it here and took a profit of a few $600 or so. More news now.
I don't believe that the Russian dictator will ever subdue the national feeling of the Ukrainians and their passionate belief that their country should be free.
Indeed, indeed, indeed. We're bringing that all to you as we get it. 836 now. 837. We're waiting for another dip, a pullback here. We will get a pullback. This will not just go all the way up because there's no great news yet. 836. All we're doing is taking profits. We sold our position, and we're looking to buy back again as soon as we can. Right, let's have a look. I got 9 votes. 8 of you wish me to carry on. Okay, we'll carry on a bit longer then. We'll carry on a bit longer. One person says no. You always get somebody. Let's end the poll. End the poll right now. So we're now at 1.47, $526. Let's go over to our Bitcoin position. Our Bitcoin position is now firing off at nearly 4% up today. It's my most secure asset, I'll tell you that now. Ethereum is doing well as well. Coca-Cola is, I bought some this morning. Very safe position there and improved my position there. I also got some Apple today as well, and that's doing well as well. That's moving up. I've improved my position on Apple. Good. Virgin Galactic 834. We're waiting for the next pullback to come. I sold my position and I'll buy back in 822 is my average. I'll get it under that. Probably come tomorrow morning. You've got to have patience though. You've got to have patience in a market like this. But act as soon as you can. Sorry, Martin, I have to go now. See you later. Thank you ever so much for being here. We will end the show shortly, though. We will end the show shortly. Captain Birdseye, I don't know if you've yet done it yet, but here's an invitation to join our channel. If you get lots more benefits by joining the channel. Here it is. Only a couple of bucks a month for bronze membership. There it is. And if you want the all links button to get all the free stuff, here it is. There's lots of benefits to being a member. We have sponsor members, we have bronze, silver and gold members, all kinds of members to our channel, and they all gain lots of benefits. Tomorrow, of course, is the cash giveaway tomorrow for all our members. If you're a member tomorrow on the show, you'll be in the draw. We do it every single week. I'm going to exit my ROCO position and at a loss. IDC anymore. I don't see anymore. I need to move some money out. ROCO, yeah, I wouldn't be in ROCO. It's not something I believe in. It can be replaced too easy. It's got nothing proprietary about it. Unlike Virgin, Tesla, the things that I like to invest in. Anyone can replace it. Now remember, it's sometimes good to take a loss. Taking a loss doesn't mean you've lost money. It only means you've sold out of that position to protect the money that you have, and you might make that money up somewhere else. You only lose money when you walk away with what you're left with. So if something is at a loss, and I've done that before, I've sold stock at a loss, knowing I'm going to buy it right back in a minute later, and it drops back down, and I buy it back, but I didn't have to lose all that money. I was able to get a bargain. So I often sell at a loss and immediately buy it back. That way I mitigate the loss and don't actually have a loss. I do that quite often. So not a bad move there, Dodge. Good luck to you on that one. Bye-bye, Paddy. See you later, Paddy. Thanks for being here. The Queen says goodbye as well. Lovely stuff. Thank you. All right. We are coming to the end of my show. I need to take a break. I've been sat in this chair for quite a while. I do need to take a break. So we will take a break. We are back, of course, for the closing bell this afternoon. It's going to be a very interesting end. And, of course, tomorrow we'll be back. Here is Boris Johnson talking now.
Provocation and without any credible excuse. Innumerable missiles and bombs have been raining down on an entirely innocent population. In concert with our allies, we will agree a massive package of economic sanctions designed in time to hobble the Russian economy. For all his bombs and tanks and missiles, I don't believe that the Russian dictator will ever subdue the national feeling of the Ukrainians and their passionate belief that their country should be free.
And all the while, the military assault continues. This is an airport in the city of Mariupol, a Ukrainian port town, less than 12 miles from the nearest trenches in the eastern Donbass region. And in the west, on the border with Poland, Ukrainians are fleeing.
I'm of Ukrainian heritage, and to see this happening to the country is just devastating. I just can't believe someone could be so evil.
This is a country gripped by panic. Ukrainians are queuing to give blood. And the roads west, out of Kiev, gridlocked. What all of this means for the world order will unfold later. For now, though, the focus is on the ordinary people caught in conflict.
There we go. It is what it is. We have to face it. We have to deal with it, and all we can do is what's best, and that's exactly what we're doing today. And as you can see, I'm up 2% now. I've improved my position. I've repositioned, sold out positions, trimmed off, taken profits. Bitcoin is up 4%. My most secure asset, Ethereum, is up 5.6%. I bought some more Coke today. Clove, Danka D. Welcome to Danka D. How are you this afternoon, morning, good evening, wherever you are around the world? Welcome to you. We bought some more Apple today. We bought more Boeing. Sell space. Sorin S, I just sold all my space. Yep, I sold all my space this morning and took a profit again. I sold it all last night. I was up nearly $1,000, Sorin. I sold my entire, this is what I've just bought back a few moments ago. I sold my entire Virgin Galactic yesterday. I bought it back again last night. So I made $1,000 yesterday and nearly $1,000 today. I sold it again. And now I'm waiting for it to drop back down again. So that's why my portfolio is up 2.25%. I'm up nearly $1,808 right now. Okay. I'm waiting to re-enter SPCE. I'll buy $12,000 worth of Virgin Galactic probably in the morning. If not, it doesn't matter. I was here. I seen it all. Soren S, I was here. I've seen it all. Lovely to have you, mate. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you just tuned in, thank you ever so much indeed. I didn't know you were here. I don't know anyone's here unless they say so in the chat. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here by giving us a thumbs up. If we get any breaking news, we'll keep bringing it to you all the time, all right? Here it is.
By opposition parties and by some of his own MPs for not bringing tough enough sanctions. Certainly the rhetoric was tough earlier in the week. I wouldn't say that sanctioning 5 banks and 3 oligarchs necessarily match that. Certainly.
Yeah, more sanctions to come, mate. There's more sanctions to come. Don't be afraid to sell all. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of anything. If you're making profit, you're making profit. Don't feel bad about being out of a stock. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. As long as you've made profit, it doesn't matter. You got to understand as well where the stock's going. The stock's great news will come later in the year. This is a very volatile time between now and then. It'll go up and down like a yo-yo. So I'll buy it back in again later when it drops back down again, happily. But it's okay to be out of it. It's okay. This is Soren S's comment there. Here is the all links button. I invite everyone to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, plus claim all your free stocks and shares that my sponsors give me. That's the all links button. Here is the invite to join. If you'd like to be a member of our channel, support our channel, and gain all the extra benefits that come along with it. Lots of perks and benefits you get as a member. Much better experience as a member. And we really appreciate that as well. Danka D, good morning to you, Danka D. We're up 2% right now. 36.62. Virgin Galactic, we're currently out. We just have 11 shares. We just sold all of our shares there and took the profits this morning, waiting for a bounce back. Tesla is now green. We've moved our money into Tesla. That's all we've done. And we moved our money into Coca-Cola. And we moved our money into Apple instead. That's what we've done, and that's where we're growing there now. Nvidia is pushing up. Peloton is pushing up as well. Just $30 short now of making a profit. With Facebook as well. GGPI. Lucid rising. 853. We are getting a bit of a push acceleration now. 850. Let's buy some more temporary shares. 852, just a quick trade as we get a pump on it. What was that? 852. We'll just buy 100. 100, yeah. Right, we'll just sell 100 shares at 853, 854, something like that. If we're starting to get a bit of a pump there now. I'm down 22% now, and I'm afraid it will rocket without me. Don't be afraid of that. Don't worry about that at all. Just move your money somewhere else. I know it's hard, and I faced that many, many times, but don't be afraid of that. Overall now, 2.32. That's Virgin Galactic, Tesla, Rivian. Okay. We will get a pullback because the fundamentals of SPC aren't there yet. We know the stock's going to go up. We've made a lot of money on it already. These bounces are fantastic. Most high-risk stocks have the most volatility. But the main news that will take the stock to $20, $30, $40, $50, $100 are going to come in September and leading up to there. So to August, September, as we get those, we're only just coming up to March. So right now you can keep buying these dips and not really worry if it drops back down again. But I would. I've just bought 100 now just to try and catch the wave again. But I'm looking to buy back in at around the 798 region. I'm down 20% now, and I'm afraid it will rocket without me. That's what you're saying. Don't be afraid of that. Don't be afraid to sell. Don't be afraid to buy in. It's just numbers on a screen. This isn't the fundamental business of Virgin. This is just the price that people are trading at. It doesn't mean anything. The fundamentals of Virgin Galactic and where the company's going are phenomenal. You can't lose if you leave your money in here. Just don't use money that you need to pay the mortgage with. Right, we're looking at if we can just trade 852. Okay, here we go. We'll just sell these. There we go. Nibble, nibble all the time. Right, sell 100 shares of Virgin Galactic. We just bought them for 852. $8.55. Certainly trending up today now after that dip this morning. So 8.52, 8.50. We'll go 8.55. Get ready to sell at 8.55. 8.53, 8.54. Remember the target here today. We stick to our target. $200 a day profit. Right, sold at 8.55. $8.57. It's climbing today. Let's buy another 100 when it drops. It does a little dip. Let's go back to the main portfolio and see now we're up 2.34, 2.8. There we go, nearly 37,000 now, up $1,000 today. So we're doing very well now. We've got 9 shares of Tesla. We've improved our position there. We moved our money there. Rivian is now moving up. Amazon is moving up, 2.9. Twitter is moving up. This is good. All the time improving our positions. We'll buy SPC when it falls back down again. We want to get to under 822 this time. And it will do that. It's very volatile at the moment. It'll go up and down every day. Meta is moving up. GGPI is moving up. If we get breaking news, we'll bring it to you. Just hearing now for some people in the Ukraine.
Now, I would want to finish my statement on saying that just before I came here, we got information from our chief commander that one of the platoons of the 74th Motorized Brigade from Kemerovska Oblast surrendered. Also noting that they didn't know that they were brought to Ukraine to kill Ukrainians, that they thought they were doing something else there. Again, Ukraine is defending our home. We will defend our home, and it's time for all free and democratic nations who value the principles and the territorial integrity and the right of any country for peace to stand together with us, but not only stand together with us, act together with us to stop the war in Europe. Thank you very much, and I would be happy to answer questions.
There we go. It's all getting ridiculous right now. Here's a little bit of a pullback right now. So as you can see, a little blip here. 8.49. 8.50. Let's have patience with this. We want to get back in with Virgin Galactic. I want to be back in again, but I want to be back in at 8.21, 8.20. Very early 8s. And that time will come again. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. What I've done is I sold out my position, and I made my profit, sold it all yesterday, sold it all again today, 13,000 each time, and then moved it into other markets. I've moved it into Tesla, because Tesla have now lowered my average, and I'm making money there. I've also moved it into Coca-Cola, which pays me dividends. Ethereum and Bitcoin are up today. Bitcoin's up, what, 4.5% today. Really, really good. Google is up today. Apple is up today. I bought the dips there with Apple. So I used the money I made from Virgin to buy Apple. Let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla now doing well. SPCE. We're waiting for that drop to come, and it may not come, but if it does, we'll take advantage of it. Here we go. 8.49. Want to go down to around about here. Low 7s, high 7s, early 8s. Anything around there. 8.46. Okay, little dip there, so that's by 100. 8.47. Okay, just bought 100 at 8.47. And now we want to sell those. We want to sell 100 because it's still too high. But if it goes down, it starts bringing our average down. Sell 100 at 8.49. Okay, here comes the dip. If we get the dip, we'll buy down lower. But making profits all along the way, because we want to be in the stock. We don't mind if it pops up, because this is still penny change where it's going to be. Remember, this stock's going to be 30, 40. Remember, this stock will be $50. $50 to $100 later on this year. That will happen. So whether you buy at 8.44 or 8.48 or 9.50 or 10, it really doesn't matter. I bought this. I started trading Virgin Galactic at $37. None of it matters. None of it matters. All you're doing is at a day like today, you sold your whole position, you got your money out, and now you're making little micro trades, micro profits all along the way. You see, we're up 2.25% now, $800 today. Okay, here we go. So we'll sell 100. We just bought this 100 at 8.47. Sell 100. Now we know it's hitting 8.52 today, 8.57, so anything above there. I just paid 8.47 for it, so let's sell it for anywhere above the 8.50. And what's what we'll do? Okay, here we go again. 8.47. 8.48. Anything above the 8.50. We'll sell 100 shares of it. 8.48. 8.49. We know it hit 8.52, so that's where it bounced from. So 8.51, something like that, just before. And we don't mind owning the stock, that's the point. Even though this is a higher than we had it before, we don't mind holding it this. So 8.48, 8.49. Get ready to sell this again. Right, it's hit that a few times now, so it might come back down again now. 8.47, 8.45. So if we get this to 8.49, 8.50 now, because we're getting a bounce back, and if we don't mind if we have to buy more and lower the average anyway. We don't mind that at all. We want to build up to like 1,500 shares again. The target a day is $200. We've smashed that today, and as long as we can make $200 every day, then that's a good income, right? 8.42 now. Let's look at the overall portfolio. $800, just $760. Look, SPCE. It's just starting to hit a wall at 8.44, 8.45. $8.47. Okay, get ready. If we get 8.50, we'll sell those 100 shares. And waiting for the bounce down in the morning. Friday morning, we might get that. And then we'll buy back in again. 8.46. I'm watching it, and as I watch it, I'll bring you breaking news.
Getting their place in the holding structures. And at the end, I just wanted to say that Russia is not getting close. It remains a part of the world economy, and we do not reject any international agreements on the key directions of, we're talking about the climate changes. I think that it would be correct that our partners abroad would understand that the climate project, it's not the sphere.
We'll come back to that when we get a more important news. 8:46. We're ready to trade another 100 shares here of Virgin Galactic, and we're going to end the show just about now. I'm going to continue trading throughout the afternoon. I'll be back for the closing bell, but right now I think we're going to wrap up today's show, and we're just going to see if we can trade these last 100. 8:48 review order. 8:49. 8:50. Is that it for the day? 51. Sell. 8:51. There we go. So we've sold that again. Our portfolio has now risen to $866 today. So we're back there with SPCE. We're just waiting for the dips to come later in the day. So I'm going to set a limit order. I'm going to set a buy, and I'm going to set a limit order. So for 8.10, where would 8.10 take me? 8.14. 8.10. Hmm. 8.08. 8.10. Okay, I'm going to set a limit order so I can relax this afternoon. So we'll go into limit orders here, and we will do 500 shares. And at a limit order of 8.10. Okay, so I'm going to buy at 8.10, 500 shares at 8.10. Review that. And now I can relax now and take a break until I come back this afternoon. If that happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You should be called the master day trader. Awesome stuff. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it very much indeed. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate all of you. Be back for the closing bell later on. So we're going to set an order now. Buy at, in fact, 8.44. We see it falling now. So we're going to set 500 shares at 8.10. So buy that. Done. Right. 500 shares at 8.10. It all hinges on Biden's announcement this afternoon. I feel he's going to be very aggressive with his markets. I could see an aggressive sell down this afternoon with a big bounce up tomorrow. Exactly how I see it, market. Market, that's how exactly what I feel. I feel right now we could keep lowering our averages and nibbling away at profits. Remember, just as a recap, what I've done now, a stock I believe in, I don't mind owning it at all, because I know it's going to be $100 stock. So now we're playing with insignificant cents, but they are making me money, right? So I bought and sold the whole of my 1,500 shares, $13,000 worth of Virgin twice, ran about $1,000 each time profit. So that's great, right? That's brilliant. And then as I start to see it move up, and it starts to get some momentum, we just have a little nibble, 100 shares, sell them, make a dollar, make $2, doesn't matter. But all the time we're looking for the next opportunity to buy the next lower dip. And I think exactly what market profit says there. I think we're going to see further down big drops. Tomorrow we're going to see Russia further in Ukraine. So tomorrow we're going to have another sell-off, and we keep trading these. Don't own the stock like it's a... When I first started trading 7 months ago, when I felt I had a deal and a good buy, I didn't want to sell it. Now, when yesterday Virgin Galactic popped up, I thought, oh, here we go. Well, I knew this wasn't the beginning of the big push, because that won't happen until someone's flying and they've announced the flights. Well, that's not until September. So we know that's not going to happen yet. We know that's not going to happen. We know what Virgin are doing. And all markets are the same right now. They're being affected by Europe. So know where your company's going that you're investing in, and keep buying and trading these dips. And if you miss an opportunity, like I did this morning, I didn't miss the opportunity, but what I did is I took the profits and bought into Tesla. And I, unlike Market, who thinks they're only worth $200, I believe Elon himself is worth $1,000 a share. So I bought Tesla, and I've learned my average with Tesla, and I'm making money on that. I also bought Apple. Apple, an extremely good company. I bought more Apple. I increased my Apple. I doubled my portfolio of Apple. I also bought some Coke. Now, Coke has slipped a bit further, but I don't mind. I earn very, very good dividends on Coke. To be able to keep improving on Coke, people will always drink Coke, no matter what happens with the war, all right? Like McDonald's, same sort of stuff. And hence that has now put me up 2%, when in fact the markets are all down today. I'm up. All right, so there we go. Friday always sees a VIX crush. I would see at least a 2% bear market rally on major indices tomorrow. I think you're right there. Have a nice day, Martin. Thank you. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. We've had a very dramatic day, and all our love goes to everybody over in the Ukraine and Europe. It's getting scarier by the minute. So that's it for me today. I'm going to wind it down. I've set my order 500 shares at 8.10. And thank you to Market Profit actually for keep pushing me on these limit orders. It actually makes my afternoon, my in-between times of shows much more relaxing. I'm not staring at the screen. I've just 8.10, I'll buy another 500 shares. And great. So thank you for pointing me in that direction. The limit orders are now, I now feel it's right and comfortable for me to play those. There we go. As you can see, it's just dropping down now, 8.39, 8.39. I'm going to leave that now. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to wait for it to go to the 8.10 if it does. If it doesn't, that's fine. 8.47. No, I was just thinking to myself there, could buy 100 shares now at this point. But I'd rather not, even though I know it's going to make me money. If I buy 100 shares now, I guarantee in 5 minutes it'll make me money. I'm tired. I've done enough. That's me for the day, and, well, for the morning anyway. I'll be back very shortly. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. Keep your eye on your markets. Keep growing. Keep taking care of yourself. And let's go over to the end screen. Let's clear off the charts. Let's clear that out. Clear that out. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. And what a day. That's why I put on the tie. It's a serious day today. Take care of yourselves and each other.